Hi, I'm Zhena. I'm the Master Tea Blender and founder at clubmagichour.com. What are the health benefits and what are the benefits overall in chamomile tea? Well, we have a lot of blends that have chamomile in it. Chamomile is got an appley scent. It's a beautiful little yellow flower. It's very soothing. It's great for digestion. It's great for premenstrual cramps. It's great for basically helping you relax into sleep. It has been used for thousands and thousands of years as a relaxant and digestive and a calming flower. And it's an herb that looks like a party. Look how beautiful and yellow that is. And we have chamomile in a lot of our Magic Hour blends because I love chamomile. We have it in Queen of the Ukraine, which is a fundraiser for Chefs for Ukraine. We have chamomile in our beautiful pearl tea, which is a jasmine green tea pearl and chamomile with caramel and apple and tulsi, and it's divine. We have, as I said, in the Queen of Ukraine, and as well as in Symbiosis, which is a pollinator tea that has a bevy of flowers, great for bees and the pollinators, and it's an immune boosting tea. And then we also have it in Aquamarine Dream, and Aquamarine Dream is a relaxation tea for your adrenals. And the chamomile in that also helps you relax into a lovely sleep. So I'm gonna go ahead and steep myself a cup of Queen of Ukraine, and then I'm gonna read off the scientific bullet points of this fabulous, gorgeous little flower. So look how beautiful that is. I blended Queen of Ukraine with roses as well as butterfly pea flower. So the color of the yellow flowers as well as the blue pea flower, butterfly pea flower is lovely. It makes a beautiful purple steep. So chamomile contains an antioxidant called apigenin, and apigenin binds with receptors in our brains and can help make us sleepy, alleviating symptoms of insomnia and restlessness. It can help reduce acidity in the stomach and relieve digestive discomfort. When my son was a baby, I had a blend called Italian chamomile, and I loved giving that to him in his little bottle, and it would relieve his tummy, and it's been a folk medicine cure for baby's digestion for thousands of years. It can also help balance our blood sugar, which a lot of people don't realize about chamomile. Chamomile is got anti-inflammatory properties, but it also can help balance blood sugar like cinnamon. So we have cinnamon and chamomile in the Symbiosis blend. So that can help you if you have blood sugar swings. It can also help strengthen our heart and lower blood pressure, because anything that really lowers stress is lowering the strain and stress on our hearts. And it's been really mostly used in modern times as an alleviator of menstrual cramps. So it helps with the moods of PMS. It also helps with the menstrual cramping, and it's a relaxant for that parts of our body. Boosts our immune system, and it's really good for anxiety, chilling out on the anxiety front. So here I made a little Queen of Ukraine. It turns into a beautiful purple color, because the Ukrainian flag are these colors, and when you blend them, it turns purple. So for any information and more teas that have chamomile in them, you can go to clubmagichour.com. Happy sipping.